Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a coconut coir substrate for growing mushrooms. You will need one 650 gram brick of coco coir that you can find at your local pet store in the reptile bedding section. Add the brick and 2 quarts of coarse-grade vermiculite to a 5-gallon bucket and then pour in 1 gallon of boiled water. Attach the lid and let the bucket sit for 30 minutes while the water is absorbed by the coconut fiber. The heat and steam effectively pasteurizes the substrate, killing off any harmful competitors that can inhibit the mushroom mycelium. After 30 minutes, I use a clean spoon to break up the chunks of coconut fiber and blend the substrate. After the substrate is blended together evenly, the lid is reattached and it is allowed to cool down to room temperature. You will then be able to add your colonized mushroom grain spawn. Out of the whole bucket of substrate, I can usually spawn about 6 6-quart dub tubs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you grow your own mushrooms using the Coco Coir substrate. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one.